told you in one of my last videos that I'm searching for a new table and some chairs for this room here. Unfortunately, in the furniture shop I didn't find anything, so I ordered it online. But it's first a table, and yeah, the table arrived today, and so I want to do an unpacking and installing a table with you together. And after the table is ready, then I want to redecorate a little bit here, because I want to have the table in front of the nice picture. And yeah, okay, let's start. Okay, it is written that I don't have to use a knife, but I use a knife. I'm very careful. So just be careful so that I don't make it directly damaged. Table. It's a very easy table, you see, but it's also very good to have an assembly instruction, but I think I can also manage it without. But let me see. No, I don't need any other tool. All tools are in here, so just let me check out. I will install it, and then I show you how it looks like. So, this is my new table, and I also redecorate a little bit, but not too much at the moment. I will do more. As you know, this is the first solution. I don't know if it's the end solution, so I will see what happens. And here is my new table, and I think that I will do soon a live stream, or also I will show you some new things for me here. And so this is my new small area here, and I also have a good view outside, and yeah, I think it's perfect to be here, to sit here and have this small nice little table.